We present NPR Lenses, an interactive tool for non-photorealistic line rendering. NPR Lenses let us interactively create expressive adjustments to line drawings created from three-dimensional models. Our NPR lens system combines interaction with both the 3D model and the lines in 3D space that were generated from it. Here is one possible distortion effect that influences the line color of the generated lines. We will use this effect to illustrate our interaction framework. An NPR lens is a spatially explicit scene adjustment. This is similar to a magnifying glass in the physical world. If you hold a physical magnifying glass in front of your eye, you can move objects in and out of its view, or you can step to the side with your magnifying glass to change which objects you see through it. NPR lenses work similarly. The scene and the lenses are independent of each other, as can be seen here. This way, view and lens can be independently adjusted until we are satisfied with the distorted drawing. NPR lens effects are object independent and seamlessly integrate the distortion into its surrounding context. This way we can achieve visual continuity across the distorted drawing. NPR lenses are controlled in 2D on the view plane by adjusting the 2D manifestation of the lens. Its effects, however, are applied on the lines in 3D world space. NPR lenses therefore have a 2D and a 3D manifestation. The 2D manifestation of the lens has several parameters that can be adjusted, including a focal size, a drop-off size, and a magnification value that, for example, can be used to control line thickness. We have developed several different NPR lens effects. The NPR style lens has been introduced to you already. It can change the appearance of the lines in the drawing by, for example, adjusting line color or thickness. Note how the thickness guides our attention in this example. This technique is often used in hand-drawn illustrations. NPR lenses can also be used to display otherwise hidden information as seen here for a medical model. This effect resembles those often seen in technical or medical illustration. Spatial distortion effects can also be created with NPR lenses. Carefully applied geometric distortion, for example, can give the resulting display a comic-like appearance. All of the shown lens effects can be combined into one single lens. Here we first turn on the line thickening effect. Then we turn on spatial distortion. We can also still show hidden lines in the influence range of the lens. The lens parameters can still be adjusted, as well as the view of the model and the lines generated from it. We can also use object space constraints to restrict which objects in our scene can be influenced by a lens. Here we restrict it to the tusks of the elephant. More than one NPR lens can also be used to influence a line rendering. In this example, we use two NPR lenses to achieve a desired distortion effect. In summary, we have demonstrated NPR lenses that allow to interactively apply spatially explicit effects to create expressive, non-photorealistic line renderings.